Good evening, dear students. Today we are going to start with the next part of the chemical bonding. In chemical bonding, I have told you what is ionic compound, how they are formed, what are metals, what are non-metals. So here you have to see the structure of ionic compounds. So in structure of ionic compounds, we have to see only three, that is NaCl, CaO and MgCl2, sodium chloride, calcium oxide and magnesium chloride. In this case I have solved one for you and you have to solve the other two as it is. Now how does the sodium chloride is formed? It is formed as a result of transfer of one valence electron from sodium atom to the chlorine atom. What is a sodium atom? It is a metallic atom and chlorine atom is a non-metallic atom. So we can say that the ionic bond is formed from metallic atom to non-metallic atom. So this is an specific by taking specific example we are mentioning. Now sodium, you can see here I have written 1123. So this is the atomic number and this is atomic mass number. Electronic configuration of sodium is 2,8,1. Hence, now here you can see according to this electronic configuration, sodium is unstable. So, it can become only stable when it will tend to lose this one electron. Hence, sodium tends to lose one electron and gets converted to sodium ion. So, atom gets converted to ion and this is a positively charged ion known as cation. Now you can see I have mentioned the electronic configuration. After loss of one electron, it attains 2,8 electronic configuration. Now there is loss of electron taking place, hence the process is known as oxidation process. And this sodium ion attains the nearest noble gas configuration of neon. Then the non-metallic atom is our chlorine. What is the electronic configuration of chlorine here? 287 according to the atomic number. Now you can see here the last shell requires one electron to complete its octet. Hence 287 will tend to gain one electron and chlorine will get converted into ion, which is a negatively charged ion. Now the electronic configuration of chlorine is 288, which is a stable electronic configuration. Here the process is gain of electron, hence the process is reduction taking place. Also the chlorine ion attains what nearest noble gas configuration of argon. Now the two oppositely charged ions attract each other, resulting in the formation of ionic bond. Now these are two oppositely charged ions. They will attract each other and form ionic compound. How this you have to represent? If in exam you will be asked the ionic equation, then you have to mention this part. If in exam you are asked about draw the electron dot diagram, then you will draw this part. And the third one here, the third is draw the orbital diagram, orbital structure or orbital diagram. This image I will send you. This you have already been practicing in class 8 also. So I will show you this also. Now here formation of sodium chloride, you can see ionic equation mein you will write down sodium atom loses one electron, forms sodium ion, atom gets converted to ion. 281 is the previous electronic configuration. After formation of ion, the electronic configuration is 28, hence it is now stable. So atom is unstable, ion is stable. Atom does not carries any charge on it, whereas ion carries a charge on it. Now chlorine atom will tend to gain one electron and get converted to chlorine ion. Now this ionic equation you can see here, Na plus Cl, minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled. Na plus Cl will give you Na plus Cl minus ion, which will get converted to NaCl. Okay. Now here electron dot structure mein we are showing only the electrons of the outermost shell. Are you getting? We are showing or representing only the electrons present in the outermost shell. Now see here, sodium has atomic number 11, electronic configuration is 281. So in the outermost shell only one electron is there, hence you will represent it with say one dot or cross. It depends on you. The other one, chlorine, has 17 atomic number. Electronic configuration is 2, 8, 7. So it has 7 electrons in its outermost shell. So you can represent it with a cross or a dot. I would request you that when you draw this electrons, so you just see that for one atom you draw dot and for the other atom you draw a cross, because this will not create confusion of whose electron it is. Are you getting? Now you can see here sodium ion has one electron. So this outermost shell, one electron will be lost. So it will be gained by chlorine. So you have to represent it with this arrow. Now after the loss of one electron, it will carry what charge? Plus one charge. This chlorine ion has accepted this one electron. So I have, see, now this diagram will clearly tell you that cross is of chlorine and dot is of sodium. So chlorine has gained one electron from sodium and it carries minus one charge. Hence the total compound formed here is NaCl. Are you getting? Now for the other two, you have to do it same way. For calcium oxide and for magnesium chloride, you have to do it same way. Now the third part of the diagram which can be asked in exam, usually it has not been asked, but maybe that it can be asked. So what is that diagram? Just see here. Now here, this is the orbit or the structural diagram. In this diagram you can see sodium, this inside is nucleus, first shell, second shell and the last shell. So you have to draw the dots here in each shell. So K shell contains 2 electrons, so 2. L shell has 8 electrons and M shell has 1 electron. Now this 1 electron will be given to chlorine. Chlorine in the outermost shell has total 7 electrons. You can see here as depicted in the diagram. After this donation, sodium will not have its M shell here. It will have only K and L shell. Whereas in chlorine, in the M shell, you have to show the electron of the sodium. So this is the orbital or the structural diagram, which is the third type of diagram which may be asked in the exam. Now here, let us see the another compound. I have said that it is what? Calcium oxide. Now here calcium has atomic number 20. Atomic number is 20. So its electronic configuration is what? 2, 8, 8, 2. K shell, L shell, M shell and L shell. Similarly, oxygen has atomic number 8. Its electronic configuration is 2, 6. Now what will happen? Calcium has 2 electrons present in the outermost shell. So it is unstable. So to gain stability, it will lose these 2 electrons. So calcium loses 2 electrons and forms calcium raised to 2 plus charge will be there. The number of the electrons lost will be the same charge carried by the ion. Now here initial electronic configuration is 2882. Now here the electronic configuration is what? 288. It has attained nearest noble gas configuration of argon. Again, now these 2 electrons which are lost, it will be gained by oxygen. Why? Because oxygen has electronic configuration 2, 6. So outermost shell has 2 less electrons. So these 2 electrons lost by calcium will be gained by oxygen atom. Hence, it will form what? O raised to 2 minus ion with the electronic configuration 2,8, nearest noble gas configuration of neon. Are you understanding? Now, both of them are now becoming stable by loss and gain. So, how the loss and gain will be shown in the form of electron dot diagram? Electron dot diagram. So, calcium 2 electrons in the outermost shell plus oxygen 6 electrons in the outermost shell. Now both the electrons will be lost or transfer towards the oxygen. So hence calcium will gain 2 plus charge and oxygen will carry 2 minus charge, and you will show all the electrons. Children, this is very specific. If any number of electrons is increased or decreased, then the marks will be deducted. Okay. Now hence it will form what? CaO as a new compound. Are you getting? Similarly, you have to do it for MgCl2. So I will send you the image. I hope that you all have understood. Thank you.